Hey YouTube, check it out. I know there's quite a few Chevy enthusiasts out there. Maybe some of you can help me out. I got an '06 Chevy Silverado 2500 HD, two-wheel drive. It's got the 6.0 gas motor in it. And I've developed a ticking noise that is coming from the bell housing. It only ticks at idle. If I give it a tiny little bit of gas, if I get it to 1200 RPMs, the ticking goes away. But as soon as I let off, it idles back down, the ticking comes back. And then there's some days where it won't tick at all. So I would imagine if it was a rod bearing or something like that, it would tick all the time. Or if it were, there's nothing else down there but the, rod bearings. So if anybody knows or has had this problem and you can help me out with it, maybe what it ended up being, if you had it fixed, if you fixed it yourself, what it ended up being. Was it the I can't remember what they call it in an automatic. It's not a it's not a flywheel, it's something else. Or your torque converter. That'd be helpful. So anybody know anything that has the same issue? If you're a mechanic and you've dealt with this issue with other '06 Chevrolet Silverado 2500 HDs with a 6.0 gas motor in it, I believe the transmission I have is the it's not the 1000, it's the other one they were putting in it. So let me know, please. I'd appreciate it. Take it easy. I look forward to the comments. And maybe I can figure this out and I won't have to pay a shop $50 million to fix it for me. Hopefully it's something I can just fix myself. So thanks for your time. Look forward to hearing from your comments. Peace out.